Have you ever feel like you are putting hours into creating YouTube content, but behind the scene, you have no clear conversation funnel. You are getting zero qualified lead. A few years ago, I scaled one of my YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers and generated over $50,000. But then a massive shit platform wiped out my entire momentum and cost me $50,000 in lost revenue. Yes, I have done it. I lost it and now I'm rebuilding it better using a true operator mindset, not just some guesswork. I'm going to give you my entire four phase, the organic high ticket content funnel, a system so you can stop wasting time and start turning your views into a predictable sales pipeline. And by the way, if you are already making money in your business and want me to personally help you install this exact system, I'm opening my fourth slot for my one-to-one mentorship this month. Link will be at the top of the description. Now let's get into the phase 1, demand mapping. Most business owners approach YouTube in a very completely wrong way. They either upload video like fish in a puddle, tiny irrelevant topic, or they choose viral trending hoping money magic appears. And this is exactly why they get stuck, because they believe more views is equal to more money, which is completely false. Let me give you the example of two channels. Channel A getting 1 million views and having less in revenue. Why? Because their audience has 100 different problem. And channel B getting 50,000 views and generating over $100,000 every single month. Why? One specific problem for one specific buyer. They are uploading videos on both similar platform, completely different outcome. So what you will learn from this, you don't need more views, you need better demand. That's why I called it demand mapping. Instead of chasing views, identify a high intent problem, reverse engineer what buyers are already searching, creating content around that, and suddenly your content stop being content and become a lead generator. But here's a problem, even if you target with the right topic, why do some people still not convert? Most creators sound like they are talking like a Google. They give information, but they don't build serious trust, and information alone don't convert. So let me give you another example. So you have $10,000 program and you are uploading here's a 5 tip, and your audience buy from someone who have been in their shoes, someone shows real execution, someone who solve their problem. And this is why I called it the authority positioning. Every video must build trust, show some experience, demonstrate result, not just teaching. So you need to sell belief. Your content should feel like, okay, this guy actually knows what he's doing, because that's what turn viewers into buyer. Now here's where most people lose game completely. Most video fail before they even started. And I wanted to ask you, do you know why? Because they use solution awareness content. Nobody wake up thinking how to optimize YouTube tag. They wake up thinking, why I'm not getting views? Why I'm not getting sales from my YouTube video? So let me give you example of bad title. How to use YouTube tag. Good title, why your video is not getting views. So one video get ignored and one video get clicked. This is why I call this a retention engineering. So you must design your title with curiosity. Target problem, not the solution. Use strong hook in your first 10 seconds, because if you don't win attention, nothing else matter. And most importantly, retention is more important than your editing. And this is not about the flashy edit. It's about the tension in the video, the curiosity in the video, and how you are speaking in the flow of your video. Okay, now you're getting views, but here's my real question to you. Do you know why most creators have content, but there's no backend system? There's no funnel. There's no conversation path. There's no view. So their views just dies. And let me give you some example. Some watch your videos. Then what? There's no CTA you have provided in your video. There's no lead capture system. There's no follow up. So they leave forever. This is a conversation infrastructure. You need a system like your YouTube videos to a lead magnet. Then you can book a call, then they can become your client. Simple. Every video should have some driven action, some way to capture lead, some way to move your viewers forward. Without this, you are just entertaining people, not building a business. So when you connect all four phases, demand mapping, authority positioning, attention engineering, conversation infrastructure, you don't just catch views, you build a YouTube inbound machine. And this is exactly what I help business owners build. Not more content, not more views, but a system that turn your YouTube into predictable revenue channel. So if you're already making money, but you are stuck with inconsistent lead and you want to build this properly, apply for my one-to-one mentorship below, because I will help you to install this entire system into your business. Right now, I'm only taking 4 people this month. So if that's you, click the first link in the description and I will see you there. Before you go, if you find this video valuable, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I upload videos every single week to help you to get clients from YouTube videos. Also, what have you been recently watching on YouTube? YouTube algorithm thinks this one video is the best video to watch next. So bye bye, see you there.